This is how to change Vercel deployment URL. From your dashboard, select a project, then go to Settings, then go to Domains, then select a URL you want to change. For instance, this one, you will just click Edit, change the domain. So we will try New, and we will just click Save. We will choose whether to redirect the old domain to new or remove the old domain. So we will redirect old domain to new and just click Save. Then we will go to Learn More and we will create a DNS record to our domain register. So we'll just create a CNAME. We'll copy this one. Let's go to our domain register. We'll create add new record, create CNAME, paste it here, and copy the value, then paste it here, and just click Save. Let's go back, and we'll try to refresh. It will take some time for the propagation to take place. Then we will open this in new tab to test the new URL. And we have the new URL. So this is how to change Vercel deployment URL.